Hi everyone, it's Rita with Everything Homemade, and I'm going to share with you the top 5 ways I use apple cider vinegar. This list is not from most important to least important. It's just the 5 ways that I use apple cider vinegar on a regular basis, and each one is just as important. But before we dive into that, I would like to let you know that I am a cookbook author of Everything Stevia and Everything Whole Wheat Sourdough. Both of these books are available on Amazon, and I have a new series out, Color and Learn Gardening. This is great for all new gardeners. It's an interactive way to learn gardening. You read a snippet of information on each page. You see a picture that corresponds with the information you just read, then you color it. And this way you have fun learning gardening. So there is 5 books so far in this series: Cold Loving Veggies, Hot Loving Veggies, How to Make Compost, Starting Seeds for Zones 1 to 3, and a real fun one, Vegetable Superheroes. So check that out on Amazon as well. All these books are also on the website everything-homemade.com, and you will find the ebooks on the websites while the paperback is sold through Amazon. So now the top 5 ways that I use apple cider vinegar. Number 1, my apple cider vinegar drink that I make every single day using warm water and 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar. So if you want the proportions, it's 1 tablespoon per cup of warm water. I drink this every single morning. When I wake up, I drink it throughout the day, and before bed, I just absolutely love it. Number 2 way I use apple cider vinegar is to soak all of my grains in it. So it pre-digests it and making it more available for our body. For example, I take 4 cups of rice and I will measure out 3.5 cups of water, and then I'll add in 1/2 cup of apple cider vinegar, let that soak overnight, and then just before I go to cook the rice, I will strain off the liquid, add fresh water, so a total of 7 cups of fresh water, and then simmer it away for the next half an hour. You will have some wonderful rice, and your body will be able to pull out all the good nutrients from it that your body needs. Number 3 way that I use apple cider vinegar is in broth, or anytime I am making meat that has a bone in it. When I'm slow cooking the meat, I'll add in about 1/4 cup of apple cider vinegar with salt, and that helps to pull out the minerals out of the bone. When you're baking a broth or baking roast, or let's say you just got a whole bunch of bones and you want to pull out more of the minerals, add that apple cider vinegar. Now, if you're doing this in a big stock pot, you want to add up to 1 cup of vinegar in there. You definitely will not taste it, but it will make a difference in that broth, and it will just start pulling out those minerals in the bones a whole lot better. Number 4 way that I use apple cider vinegar is salad dressing. Such an easy way to use apple cider vinegar. I mix vinegar, a little bit of olive oil, some water, whatever herbs or other spices you want to add into your vinaigrette. This is an excellent way to introduce apple cider vinegar into your diet, but I use it all the time for every salad dressing that I make. Apple cider vinegar goes in. And the 5th way that I use apple cider vinegar is for the hair. That's right. Really softens the hair, cleans the hair, and it's just such an economical way to clean your hair, to soften it, and to keep it healthy. So those are my 5 ways that I use apple cider vinegar all the time. So thank you so much for watching this video. Subscribe, like, and share it, and I will see you on the next one.